Now let me show you what you can do with your own logo right here in Adobe Express. But before that, let's do this exercise. So with what you have learned so far and what you are going to learn in this video, put it together, create a logo of your choice, create an amazing animation. Then you're going to have to follow on MotionDigit on Facebook and on Instagram. You'll find the link in the description. Then you tag me. I'm going to mention those who are going to participate in this exercise. So, and I'm going to also mention the winners. The winners will get access to collection of my template that are only available to paid membership. So participate in this exercise. Just create any logo of your choice, animate it. You can even use your own imported logo like I'm going to show you in the next section. So if you upload that, just hashtag me at MotionDigit Exercise. Then you also tag me, and then I'm going to take those from there and announce the participant and then announce the winners in the next video. So now let's go into how you can start from scratch by bringing in your logo. So once you are here, you select from the left tab right here, you select the upload option. So once you select the upload option, it is going to take you into your files. The amazing thing about this Adobe Express, because it is created by Adobe, I think so it supports AI file, Photoshop, and all other files you can create logo with. So now you just select this and then hit open. That is going to bring in the logo right in here. You know, the logo we imported is white, so that is why, because of the flexibility of being able to change the background, so we're going to change the background immediately so that we can see what we just brought in. So I'm going to select this premium blue. So if you close that, you see this is your logo. You can select and scale down. Just by holding this, you can scale down and reposition it anywhere in the canvas. If this is all you need, you can just follow the step to animate, but I want to build more things to this. So just for the sake of this tutorial, to make sure you know that you can do anything with this AI. So now select the text right here so that we can add text to our animation or our logo that we just brought in. So once you select this, you can select any text from these options, you know, anyone right here, because you can still customize them. So I think I'm going to select this. So once you bring this in, you can see it has all of this. So I can just select the icon and start deleting what I don't need. So you can just double click and then change the text. Once you add your text right here, you can change the font, and you can change if it is we want regular or whatever you want to do. You can also align. All the text functions are available here. So I'm going to just simply change the color first. I'm going to select white. I'll scale it down a bit. This is okay for now. So you can select this logo. You can add effects like we did in the previous one if you want to, but we assume that this is the final result of the logo you want. That is why you are importing your own logo. So now you can just scroll down right here and select the animation tab. So you can select tons of preview here. You see anyone you put, you see them coming to life. So let's pull into the canvas by using the Alt key. So you can select this, the lighting bolt. So if that is okay, you can also select the movement. You know, this is all for the in. So we can use this or this or this. So I'm going to select the lightning bolt for this, for the in, and I'm going to go for the out. I'm also going to select the lighting bolt so that it sparks in and then flash out. So I'm going to select this text at the bottom right here and also add an animation. So I'll just simply allow it to come from down. Beautiful. So, or you can select the same flashing bolt so that it will just show in like this. So I'll use this for the in. I'm also going to use this for the out. So there are tons of animation here that you can just select and it will apply it automatically. No keyframes, nothing. The AI will take care of that. So now we have this. So this brings me to next thing I want to show you. So now, like I said in the other one, you can set the timing. So once you select this logo, this should show first, then the text should show later. So you can just pull this in. and if you pull it in right here, it is gonna show first. You see that? So this is gonna come in first before the text. So you can also change the duration. I think this is staying for too long. I want this to be very short, so I'm gonna pull this in. You know, that is for this scene. I want it to be very short. You can actually add a scene, like this tab right here said add a scene. You can add a scene and it's going to automatically add another scene for you. So on this scene, you can just add like your tagline or possibly even animate your second logo depending on what your concept is. Even though this is AI, so it still needs to know what you want it to do for you. So all these are going to depend on the kind of concept you have after understanding what the tool can do for you. So now I'm just gonna add a tagline. So like I said, we're gonna select also from the text that we have here. So I'm gonna select, I'll make sure that the scene is selected. You can add multiple scene. That is the beauty of this. So now let's see if we can find any text that can appeal to us here, or otherwise we just edit what we have. So I'm just gonna select this human head and the text. You know, you can just leave this to be what you want to do. After all, you can edit it. So this is pretty straightforward. If you play from beginning, you will see what you have. So you can just put your timeline here, timeline indicator, and then press the play button so that you can see your entire animation coming to life. You see after the first frame, the second frame comes in. So you can add as many scenes as possible. So now let me show you how you can add sound to this. Everything here is just simply self-explanatory, very simple interface and very easy to navigate. So now you can just select the add button here, that is the add audio on the timeline right here. Once you select it, that is going to pop up this by the left. So here you can go to all photo, videos and audio. So it is only on audio here. So you can record a voiceover. If you have a good mic and you have a sound card that can give you a good voiceover, you can record directly and it will show on your timeline. So but we're going to just take a look at how you can import from device. So if you select that, that is going to take you into your software, that is into your device. So from here you can select whatever you want to do. So once you navigate, you select your audio file. I'm just gonna bring in an audio file for the sake of the example, so it must not be in sync, just to show you that yes, you can bring in audio, and you see that it has fit the audio to this. So if you play now, you feel the audio. The intention with this audio is not to let it have the sync or the type of audio you want, just to show you an example that yes, you can bring in the audio. Of course, this is not syncing with this. You may have a different audio, or like After Effects, you can also bring your audio first, then you start animating to sync everything. But this is just to let you know that you can do a lot with this within a short period of time, and it is very easy to use.